How's it going, everybody? This is Kevin Sims. Just want to say welcome, Happy New Year's 2018 to everybody. First review I want to do here today is going to be the Movcam for the Panasonic GH5. Now, you know, this kit also works with the new GH5s that just came out this year in January. Here's the Panasonic GH5s. I will be doing a review on this camera as well if I have not done so and uploaded before this review on the Movcam cage. This cage runs about, I got mine on sale for $289 on bnhphotovideo.com. I think the retail is $315 USD. And this is the opening of the cage. Should I open it this way? I have the box open here, and you can see how the packaging looks. All of the contents packaged in the GH5 cage kit here, and with Movcam. And I'm going to start off by taking out the cage itself first. And you can see the cage here. The second biggest component to this cage will be the base here, which come with the 15mm rod support, 2 of them at the bottom for setting up your rig. Has other features on this base like release, the slide release, excuse me, and support here in the front for if you have a lens adapter like Speed Booster or other brands. You also have this this handle, top handle, which is nice because it's not all black. I like contrast, so it has it's black on the top, and then it has a nice wooden style grip at the bottom here. You have 2 screws up top here, and then you look like you have a adjustable dowel for the arm part, and you have another 15mm rod hole right here in the middle, as well as adjustable knobs right here on the back of it. And it also has a nice logo on both sides as well. Here you have this bracket here, and this bracket is supposed to push the handle away from the cage so that it makes room for the XLR adapter that was put out by Panasonic for the GH5 or the GH5s. And I wasn't expecting, but in this Movcam GH5 kit, it does come with 15mm rods, and I like this aluminum look. One thing to note is that it's made of magnesium alloy, which is the same material that the GH5 and the GH5s body is made out of to be weatherproof. As you can see, they have the same exact coating on the top of it with the black, and the same as the body of the GH5 and GH5s, which is very nice. The cage itself is very lightweight, as I mentioned earlier. Bracket here on the side, which helps for securing the HDMI and other cables to the GH5. You have multiple mounting points on the cage, both on the side here, on the top, and on the right side, which is the grip side. And this is how it will sit. Adjust the height of the lens support. I will slide it right into this hole. Like so, just twist them in there. And this, of course, you would have your HDMI or your USB cord already plugged in before attachment, so this can secure it. But for illustration purposes, I'm just doing it without the cords attached. And then these two red knobs would tie into the body itself. Bracket extender. And this is how the bracket sits, like so. Slide that on like so. So you do have a lot of options as far as mounting for cold shoe. And of course you have this cold shoe right here on the side of the move cage. The top handle, the cage, and the base plate with the rods. This is pretty much the full kit that you get from Movcam if you purchase the full GH5 cage kit.